In today's video, I'm going to melt this failed aluminum cast and turn it into small ingots. In order to melt this, I'll need to use my metal melting furnace and get it to a temperature of at least 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, you can see it's not going to fit through that hole. And it's not going to fit in my number 4 crucible either. So it looks like today I'll be using my number 6 crucible for this melt. Well, it doesn't quite fit in there either, but I know it'll still work. With the aluminum loaded into the crucible, it's now time to light the furnace. After some time has passed and the aluminum is melted, it's now time to add more metal to the furnace. These are all cut-offs from other lost foam casts. Definitely check out my playlist on them. There are some super cool casts. After about 15 minutes, all the metal is melted and it's time to skim off the dross. The dross is the impurities in the aluminum that flows to the top. It's best to remove this before pouring. Here are 5 pours of molten aluminum. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright guys, here we have it, 9.5 small ingots. These ingots will fit perfectly inside my electric furnace. So make sure to keep an eye out for an upcoming video using my electric furnace. If you can't wait, head over to my playlist. I have one specifically on that furnace. I'll leave a link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for my next video. See ya.